Cosmo was a robot unlike any other. He was designed to explore space and had been programmed with a sense of curiosity and adventure. With his advanced sensors and tools, he could analyze and gather information about the planet he visited. One day, Cosmo was sent on a mission to explore a distant planet in a far-off galaxy. As he landed on the planet's surface, he discovered a strange energy source that he had never seen before. As he tried to investigate, he suddenly got sucked into a black hole. Cosmo found himself hurtling through space and time, unsure of where he would end up, but after what felt like hours, he finally landed on a new planet. This planet was unlike any he had been before. It was filled with towering mountains, deep canyons, and glowing plants. As he explored the planet, he met a group of friendly aliens who were amazed by his technology and curious about Earth. They showed him around the planet and introduced him to their culture and way of life. Cosmo was fascinated by everything he saw and learned. But then, he discovered that the planet was in danger. A nearby asteroid was on a collision course with the planet, and the aliens didn't have the technology to stop it. Cosmo knew he had to help. Using his advanced sensors and tools, Cosmo analyzed the asteroid trajectory and came up with a plan. He programmed his thrusters to push the asteroids off course, saving the planet from destruction. The aliens were overjoyed and grateful to Cosmo for his heroism. Cosmo stayed on the planet for a while longer, continuing to explore and learn. But eventually, it was time for him to return to Earth. He said goodbye to his new alien friends, promising to come back and visit soon. As he rocketed back through space, Cosmo felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. He had traveled to a new planet, made new friends, and saved an entire civilization. He couldn't wait to see what other adventures awaited in the vast expanse of space.